Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing and welcome back to the channel. On this week's video, we're going to be installing this Noble GR style mesh grille onto the front of our 2022 to present Subaru BRZ. Let's go. That's right, gang. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to change up the look on your front end of your 2022 to present Subaru BRZ, then Noble has just the product for you. This grille is specifically designed for the BRZ ZD8 bumper and mimics the OEM honeycomb look of the GR86. Constructed from high-quality ABS plastic featuring this sleek piano black gloss finish ensures a seamless and weather-resistant fit. Best part is this grille is covered by Noble's limited lifetime warranty, which protects the original purchaser from any and all manufacturing defects for the life of the product. Awesome. Now, let's get to the install. In order to perform our install today, we will be removing our full front bumper. Now, depending on what kind of aftermarket lips or fog lights or any other things you might have on your vehicle, your uninstallation and reinstallation may vary ever so slightly. But for today's video, we're going to focus on an otherwise stock car. First, we'll open the hood and remove our hardware and clips from under the hood. Then there are some plastic clips that go around our side trim and underneath our vehicle. Once we remove all of them, we can disconnect the harness from our side marker lights. Then we can just pull and release the bumper. With the bumper removed, we can now focus on removing the OEM grille. The vast majority of this grille is held on with just push clips, but the reason we needed to remove the bumper is there is 3 pieces of 10mm hardware and it's very difficult to get to this top one with the bumper on. On top of those 3 pieces of hardware, there is 2 plastic clips that attach our grille to this little plastic riser. We're going to go ahead and remove all of that hardware, then release our clips and remove the factory OEM grille towards us. Before the grille can be fully removed, you will need to punch through our tow hook cover and remove it from the front. I would say that was pretty simple. A handful of hardware, a couple of plastic clips, and our OEM grille is out. As far as installing our brand new Noble grille, same thing but in reverse. We are going to click this thing into the bumper, tighten up all the hardware, but before we reinstall the bumper, there's one more step. Now that the aftermarket grille is fully into place, we can talk about these 2 plastic radiator shrouds. There's one on each side of the OEM grille, and depending on your fit and finish or what you're looking for in the vehicle depends on if you're going to transfer them over or not. Because this vehicle is otherwise stock, we are going to remove them and reinstall them onto our new grille. But for example, our in-house BRZ has the Noble oil cooler, which we've removed one of our shrouds to allow for more airflow past that cooler core. But like I mentioned, since this is an otherwise OEM vehicle, we will be removing the 3 Phillips head screws per side and transferring those shrouds over. We are almost finished. The last thing to do is to reinstall the bumper the same way we took it off, not forgetting once we have everything bolted down and all of our clips on, to install our tow hitch cover provided by the Noble GR Mesh Grille. Thanks for taking a look at the installation of the Noble GR style mesh grille for the 2022 to present Subaru BRZ. For thousands of parts just like this plus tons more, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all the best deals on the web and in the world, and we'll catch you on the next one.